What's the meaning of burrito? Burrito. Burrito.
Burrito. Burrito. A burrito is a type of Mexican food that typically consists of a flour tortilla filled with a variety of ingredients, such as rice, beans, meat, cheese, and vegetables. The tortilla is folded up around the filling to create a rolled-up cylindrical shape. Burritos can be served warm or cold, and are often accompanied by salsa, guacamole, or sour cream. They are a popular fast food item and can be found in many Mexican restaurants and fast food chains around the world. The word burrito translates to little donkey in Spanish, and the origin of this name is unclear.